Hello students, I think you are getting the mail from Cisco Networking Academy. Okay, whenever you can getting this mail, just click on activate account. Okay, before activate the account, you can note down the entire network ID and also all those things information. Okay, now click on the activate account. Okay, and don't delete this mail from your Gmail. Okay, further reference you can store this information, and it takes some process. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes. And also the Cisco Networking Academy, it gives the one quotation for the whether we have always been passionate about technology or just discovered it. There has never been a better time to get started. I think it is the better time to start situation. Okay. Okay. Now open the identity of cisco.com. It create the account. Okay. But first name and last name and country. Okay. India. Self. Where company indicates the Godolvalleru, you can mention the Godolvalleru Engineering College here. You can mention Godolvalleru Engineering College. Okay, appeared in the drop down and create the password. Okay. Okay, whenever the password is appeared here, one uppercase letter, one lowercase character, okay, one number character, you can follow these guidelines to enter the password. And re-enter the password. Okay. And also enter appeared captcha. Okay, would you like to updates about Cisco promotions and products and services? Yes, and click on register. Okay, the registration process is now complete. We will be automatically redirected to one identity login page. And also it takes just up to 20 seconds time. Okay. Okay, and also you can get some confirmation mail from Cisco Networking Academy. Okay, it is still loading due to my network bandwidth is low. Okay, by using the sign in netacker.com. Okay, because already opened in the teaching mode, so I open this information in a new cognitive window. Login. Okay, at the time you can provide which type of mail ID or username you have to provide here. Okay, I think all of you getting the mail IDs. Okay, this is my mail ID. and you can give the password, which type of password you have to give in the registration time. And please note down your password. Don't forget this password. Okay, whenever you can forget any password, and click on forget password and ask your email ID, verify your identity via email. Okay, and Net Academy, it sends one email from verification code. Okay, you can enter this code. Okay, enter here and submit. Okay, you can create any password. Okay, update the password. Okay, this is the process whenever you can forget the password. Okay, now sign in. Okay, there is a redirect into your organization. That is a Networking Academy. The site is open. Okay, right, now you can give some profile information. Okay, what is your practical experience in IT working in IT or networking? Okay, none. Okay, do you have any disability? Okay, based upon preference. Okay, no? And birth date. Okay, okay, now you can create the account. Okay, let's start learning launch course. Okay, click on launch course. Whenever you can click on the launch course, it will direct to the Cisco CCNA1 International Networks. The link is open. Okay, okay, this is the welcome message. Okay, welcome to our course in main page. Okay, you can see any end tour. Okay, you can see the entire end tour, otherwise end tour. Okay, in a Net Academy dot, you have seen in the courses live in enrolled in. We have learned, we have enrolled CCNA V7 Introduction to Networks, Kudlo Engineering College. Okay, this course is time duration is October 1st to 15th November. That is Introduction to Networks. Okay, the total 6 weeks. Okay, you can click on the launch course. Okay, the course Introduction to Networks is open. Okay, and also you can accessing the entire information from the Introduction to Networks version 7 ITN. Is the course content. Okay, this is the course content, Introduction to Networks course. In this Introduction to Networks course, we have observed total 17 chapters in this course. Also 17 modules. Okay, it will open. Okay, this is the introduction to networks. The total 17 modules. Okay, now you can see the each and every module. Okay, click on the module. There are sub modules are available: introduction to networks, FET for lives, network components, network representation of and topologies. Okay, that is the chapter content. Chapter 1 contains, okay, or module 1 contains networking today. Okay, you can learn the unit networking today. The first topic, the subtopics are available. Okay, why should I take this module? This information, complete information is observed. That is self-learning course. Okay, each and every line by line is instructed. You can face any issues or any problems. Okay, definitely put in a message in our group. Okay, I will clarify all those things. So my network is very low, so that's why it's not appeared. Okay, this is the introduction to networks, networking academy CCNA V7. Okay, we can learn complete materials in here. Okay, chapter by chapter. Okay, this is the process. Complete process belongs to how to activate your account, how to register, how to use the details in a Net Academy portal, and how to utilize and how to access our resources. Okay. Okay, for example, you can and also you can check the profile side. Okay, you can tell the Networking Academy ID. Okay, and also you can compare the initial mail ID and this mail is same. Okay, you can use any recovery number, mobile number. Okay, we can set first name, last name. Okay, compulsory, time zones. Okay, date of birth. Okay, that is the information. Okay. Correct. Thank you for watching this video.